everybody! I know it's been a while since we've read a new book together, so today I just wanted to do a little video of a book called Stick and Stone. I thought it would be a good book for us to read, so I hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. Stick and Stone by Beth Ferry and Tom Lichtenheld. Stick and Stone. Stick. Stone. Lonely. Alone. A 0. A 1. Alone is no fun. Stick, stone. Along comes pine cone. Makes fun of stone. Won't leave him alone. Vanish, says Stick. His word does the trick. Stone whispers, "Gee, you stuck up for me." That's just what sticks do. Friends do it too. Stick, stone, no longer alone. Stick, stone, a friendship has grown. They wander, explore, lays by the shore. Then thunder and rain. Boom! A loud hurricane. Stick is windblown. Uh-oh, there goes pine cone. Hold on, calls out Stone. Again, he's alone. Search day. Stick. 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 And search night. No stick in sight. What's this? A huge puddle? Stick stuck in the muddle. Stone rescues him quick. Cowabunga! Kersploosh! You rock, Stone, says Stick. That's just what stones do. Best friendship rocks too. Stick, stone, together again. Stick, stone, a perfect 10. To the end. The end. That's one of Miss Courtney's favorite books. So I hope you guys had fun, and I'll try to do some more videos of some more books that we can read together. Bye, guys.